What's going on, everyone? In this video we're going to be talking about how to have an awesome profile picture on Upwork or any other remote work platform. So breaking it down, right now you can see on my screen that I've searched for a video editor freelancer, and I can see some of the profiles that show up as like the top rated freelancers for me to look at. So when you're creating your profile picture, you absolutely need to take it with a DSLR camera. So that's like a professional high-end camera. If you don't have one, join Facebook groups in your community. Find someone who would be happy to help you create a headshot, either for a few dollars or even for free. Maybe you can help them with something you do. It's easy to get a professional headshot for really low cost. So you can see from some of these profiles I'm looking at, Alfonsina here, her profile, it's okay, looks nice, professional, she's smiling, that's great. Mark here, looks professional as well, but let's see those teeth, brother, give us a bigger smile. This is a huge key factor with your profile picture. Not only does it need to be taken with the professional camera, but you need to have a big, wide smile. So Jan S here, he's looking great because he looks really friendly, professional headshot. That's a good profile picture. Philippe M here though, it's an okay quality picture, but he kind of looks like grumpy. I would be personally more interested in hiring Jan because he just looks like friendly. And at the end of the day, if they're both having the same kind of qualities and experience, I want to work with someone who's friendly, who looks like they're going to be fun to work with. So what I do with my personal profile is, professional headshot, DSLR camera, but you can see I've done a couple things here which are a little bit against the rules, perhaps just something you can keep in mind that's worked well for me. So I've got this green ring that I've edited into my profile picture. It matches the color of the Upwork logo. So when people are scrolling through profiles looking for the right freelancer, they see a green ring around my profile picture and it catches their eye. Combining that with the fact that I'm in the digital advertising niche, I added in the background this little bar graph showing like the results going up. Kind of cheesy, but it's also worked really well for me. So recapping, to have a great profile picture, you gotta have professional camera, bright smile, and you can consider editing in some graphics to kind of make yourself stand out. That part though, editing the graphics, is kind of technically against the rules, so you may or may not want to explore doing that. So don't underestimate the importance of a high quality profile picture on Upwork or any other remote work platform, because as you can see here, I'm logged into my client account. As you're browsing through people's profile pictures, their profile in general, you just see their profile picture name, their title, and then a sentence from their profile description. So you have such a small amount of real estate to convey who you are and why you're good at what you do. If they click into your profile, then of course they're going to see more. But when they're just looking at the top level, they're not going to see much. And so the profile picture is actually a massively important and very influential piece of your profile. Absolutely needs to be shot with a professional camera and follow some of those other tips. Big, bright smile. Explore with being creative with some graphics if you want. But do not underestimate the impact that having a great profile picture on Upwork or any remote work platform will have for you. I'm going to also include a link to a guide from Upwork themselves on just some quick other tips that you can apply so that you can find and create the best Upwork profile picture for yourself. My name is Robert O'Crook. I'm the founder of the Digital Nomads Forum. If this video was helpful, give me a like. If you have any comments or questions, leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I hope this was massively helpful. Ciao.